Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another Nutrisystem unboxing for the Slim Balance box. Are you guys ready for this one? Drum roll, please. Bum, ba, bum, 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 bum. I'm actually pretty excited about this one. This is the Slim Balance 5-Day Weight Loss Kit. Lose up to 7 pounds in 2 weeks, just like the other ones say. 5 breakfasts, 5 lunches, 5 dinners. It is for all of these body types except for the apple shape. When you look at the top, it gives you the general ideas of what you're going to be eating for all of these types of foods. That way you're not left in the dark, except this one is a little bit different than the other two I did, which I'll leave linked up above if you want to see those unboxings. The other ones overlapped in food a little bit more, where this one's a little bit different. It has some different foods and a little bit more variety. So I laid everything out and I'm going to give you guys a quick overview of everything that comes inside of this box. First saying that, as always, with all the 5-day kits and even the 30-day kits, it comes with this week 1 overview. So it just kind of tells you what you should be eating, how you should be eating it, how much water, if you can drink black coffee, all of that good stuff that you can definitely see in some of my other videos. By the way, if you do want to try the 30-day box, I have a 50% off link down below that you can use for your first order. Now, starting with breakfasts, looks like this one has an apple strudel bar. That sounds really, really good. And then it comes with the chocolate chip baked bar, apple walnut oatmeal, maple brown sugar oatmeal, which was in, I think, the other box. And it's always going to show you the calories and the total fat and the grams of fiber and or protein on the front. That way you're not always having to flip things over, which is kind of nice on, I think, every single one. So for the lunch, it is chocolate peanut butter bar. I really like these bars. They're not always, not all of them are as filling, and some of them are a little bit harder than I'd like, but most of them I do really like. So let's see, another one is mac and cheese white cheddar. Then you have the cheddar broccoli rice, home-style chicken soup, and black bean quinoa bowl. Oh, I forgot one for the breakfast, cinnamon streusel muffin. That I've had with the 30-day box, and it tastes so good with a little bit of like black coffee or something. It is really, really good. Okay, and then moving into dinner, lasagna with meat sauce. And then you have your savory chicken pot pie. This one I'm actually really excited to try. I've never tried this one before, and I haven't had chicken pot pie in a long time, but I know I really like it. Cheesy chicken casserole. You have your harvest grain bowl, which that one looks really good too. With this, I know that this is the way it looks. It actually comes out looking more like tuna salad, like it's all kind of a little bit mushy and shredded. So this might be good either with crackers or on a piece of whole wheat toast, or I like to slice up cucumbers and use this as like a dip, and then it gets a little bit more filling. But I'll show you guys this coming week when I have the what I eat in a days in a week. And then the last is chili with beans. I don't think I've had this one before, but I really love chili, so I'm interested in seeing how this is going to taste. Now, if you got the 30-day box, it comes with a week of protein shakes. If you get the 5-day box, it does not. But they do also sell those in the store, and it comes with a box of, I believe it's either, you can get it for 5 or 10 at the store, and I think that it's worth it just because it really helps fill me up. It doesn't technically have to be a Nutrisystem shake. If you can find something cheaper, if you want it, it's 120 calories per serving, 15 grams of protein, 6 grams of dietary fiber. So if you can find something comparable to that, I'm sure that would work too. But having something like this as one of your snacks can actually help just keep you full longer during the day and just help keep you satiated, but also the protein just gives you that extra energy and boost that you might need throughout the day to keep you going. Another couple of really important things to remember. One of them is veggies. So your Nutrisystem thing isn't going to come with veggies, and it requires you to still buy extra things outside of Nutrisystem, including a bunch of veggies, at least 4 servings a day, and then also they want you to add a little bit of protein here and there, and then fruit is okay, but usually they say to just stick to berries. And the last, but by far probably the most important thing, is to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. I love you guys, have a great week, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Mwah.